I watch it. I like those little trial bits. But what I don't think people realize is it is hard eating a little kangaroo knob. It's just you think about it and you go, oh, I couldn't do that. But what they never mention on the TV program, they're eating that at 7:30 in the morning. I'm saying like I could eat a knob at night. 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 Do you know what I mean? If I was there and Ant and Dex said, right Carl, eat the knob, I'd go, hang on a minute, give us a few hours. Let me get some rice on my belly to fill me up a little bit more. I'll pop back about 6:30 this evening. So what are you saying? I could eat a knob at night. 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 Ooh. Ooh. I couldn't do it. I could not do it. I couldn't pop a kangaroo testicle in my mouth and chew it. It was disgusting to watch. She was eating witchetty grubs. They were up for it. Is that admirable? And is that showing good British metal? Or is it, I'll do anything to get on telly for a week? Where does it stop? Rebecca Lewis went too far when she gave the little pig a tug. But at least she knew where to stop. I could eat a knob at night. 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 I'm saying like I could eat a knob at night. 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 Knob at night. Knob at night. Knob at night. I could eat a knob at night.